So, important question. What's better than one Creative Muvo Go? Two Creative Muvo Go speakers. Let's get on with the video. Creative has launched a brand new travel speaker in the Muvo range. The Creative Muvo Go is perfect for camping trips, pool parties, hiking, or any other activity that you can think of when you go on holiday. It's been a few years since Creative has had a new speaker within their Muvo range, the last being in 2019 when they released the Play. So, is it any good? Let's find out. The Creative Muvo Go is a small speaker that's light and portable to be able to carry around with you. It's designed to be a travel speaker so you can listen to music on the go. It weighs just 570 grams and measures at 20 centimeters wide, 7 centimeters in height and 6 centimeters in depth. It's pretty much the perfect size to fit inside a backpack's water bottle slot, so if you're hiking, this speaker could be the perfect companion. It's covered in a black mesh material over its body and has two exposed radiators to help with those bass hits at either end, and inside you can find two full range drivers. The sides are made from hard plastic, which will enable the Creative Muvo Go to stand in a vertical orientation, or if you have got the space, there are two rubber feet on one side so you can fire your music upwards. On the right hand side you can find a lanyard clip to give you the choice to hang the speaker somewhere, like in a bathroom for example, while you're taking a shower, as the speaker is waterproof thanks to its IPX7 rating, which means it can take a dunk in the swimming pool without worrying about breaking. There are three buttons on top in bright orange on the black speaker version I have here for play and pause, and two more buttons for volume and skipping tracks. Twisting it around you can find a power button as well as a Bluetooth button to activate pairing. There's also a USB Type-C port to charge the speaker, and you get a supplied USB Type-C to Type-A cable in the box. One thing I was a little perplexed to see is that there was no interface for plugging in wired devices like a 3.5mm aux input for example, nor can you use a micro SD card as found on older devices. This is probably to keep it protected more from water damage rather than relying on sealing that users could forget to close properly. The Creative Muvo Go is a fully wireless system, so music must be played from Bluetooth sources, and they do come in a number of colours, being black, green and blue, which as you can see we've got two black ones here, and I must say I do very much like the look of these, but the bright blue version just looks absolutely awesome. But overall, the Muvo Go is a very smart looking speaker. The battery life on this thing will last for around 18 hours, which is a huge amount of time for a speaker, and one that's quite impressive actually. It will definitely be enough for a weekend trip away somewhere. It has access to Bluetooth 5.3 and can produce a total peak power of up to 40 watts, which is huge. As they're capable of pairing with other Muvo Go speakers, like I've got two of them here, they're capable of a pretty decent volume level, which will be great for a house party setting or a pool party or something like that. Pairing the speakers is very, very easy as well. Just hold down the Bluetooth button and it will give you a pairing prompt. From here, tap the power button on each speaker twice and they'll connect. It's seamless. There's a prompt to let you know which one is the right speaker, but once that prompt happens, you've got no way of knowing which is which. Now, I would have liked the indicator light to glow a different color for the right and left, for example. I think it would just make a lot more sense if there was some visual prompt on the speaker itself. The Creative Muvo Go has two full-range neodymium drivers capable of producing 20-watt bass power, and I must say that music actually sounds pretty decent from this small speaker. It's not an omnidirectional speaker. The drivers very much fire out of one side of the speaker, so this could mean that placement while outside could be important. Music produced by the Muvo Go is incredibly balanced. Sure, if you're playing some bass heavy music, bass frequencies will take precedent, and yes, while they can be a little bit overpowering at times, it's been very rare for me to actually think that the music is suffering because of this. Mids and highs are still very present and sound extremely clean and can cut through with precision. Even at louder volumes, the Creative Muvo Go is a very capable speaker and featured very little distortion to music, if any distortions at all, depending on the genre of music being played. And if you've got two of them as well, like we have here, then wow, a pair of these can really fill a room with sound. Creative Muvo GO speaker is an incredible device that would be welcome on any holiday or trip away to bring some music into your life. It not only sounds superb, but it also has an amazing battery life, and more importantly, for a travel speaker, it's nice and light and shaped to fit into pockets that chances are you'll have on your bag anyway if you're going on holiday. It only costs £65, which to be honest I think is pretty much a bit of a steal at the moment for this speaker, and you can really tell that Creative have put a lot of time and thought into the design, and I for one am absolutely impressed with the Muvo GO. Great product. Thank you very much for checking out this video review of the Creative Muvo GO speaker. If you did enjoy this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to keep up with our latest tech and gaming videos, and also let us know in the comments down below what you think about the Creative Muvo GO. Would you have one of these for your holiday, or what are you using at the moment for your holidays? If you're going, I don't know, it's December at the moment. If you're going skiing, which speaker are you taking with you? As I say, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.